Today we are going to explore eRank's competitor sales tool. Staying on top of your competition is an important part of being successful on Etsy, and with our tools you have the intel you need to stay ahead of the game. The eRank competitor sales tool will help you track your top competitor sales, identify seasonality and trends, and conduct deeper competitor analysis. To use the tool, type the name of the competitor to start tracking their shop. Edit and select columns to customize your view. Here you can see metrics such as monthly sales, daily sales, and sales over the last 7 days. You can also conveniently add notes about the competitor you track. There are several ways to identify and track competitors. From the rank checker, type a keyword and look at the listing that is ranked the highest. Click the eye icon to start tracking. From top sellers, browse the list of top sellers in your main category. Click the eye icon to start tracking. From the eRank Chrome extension or the shortcut button from Etsy.com, access the listing audit tool and then click on the eye icon to start tracking. With the eRank competitor sales tool, you can gain valuable insights into your competitor strategies, stay on top of market trends, and fine-tune your own shop for success.